My name is Mohammad Anis Rahman. I have finished my graduation from Manjing University of Post and Telecommunication. Currently, I got e-visa from Asia Pacific University, and my full admission process was done by PFSC Global Chattogram, and they have done excellent work with me. My experience was really good. They are very smooth throughout the process and very much helpful whenever I got any kind of problems throughout my process. They give me a very quick response. So I suggesting everyone for their upcoming journeys, in case if they are searching for higher educations, definitely they can go for PFSC Global Chittagong or PFSC Global any kind of office in Bangladesh. My university name is Asia Pacific University, and my major is Information Technology and Management, and I got 20% scholarship through PFSC Global Chittagong. They helped me with that.